Good morning, Snake. Today we are going to be recording the 42 sounds of English the Jolly Phonics way. Now here is a sound card and here is a pencil. Now you have to follow the tip of the pencil and I'm going to be saying the sounds. Now we're going to start with group 1. Group 1 starts with S, A, I, P, N. Group 2 now. K, E, R, M, D. Group 3. G, O, A, L, F, and B. Now it's group 4. A, J, O, I, E, O. Now it's group 5. It starts with Z, W, N, V, Oo. Remember there are two. One is short, oo, just like in book. One is long, oo, just like in moon. Group 6. This one is Y, X, Ch, Sh. This one has two sounds again. That's F, just like in moth, and V, just like in mother. Remember to put your tongue between your teeth and blow, just like the rude clowns here. Group 7 now. This one is Qu. This one is Ow. This one is Oi. This one is You. And R. Well, those are the 42 sounds. Goodbye, Snake.